In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to join meetings in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams, then go straight to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initials. In the menu that opens, click Sign Out. When the confirmation appears, click Sign Out again. This fully logs you out of the app, which can clear stuck session issues that often stop meetings from opening properly. Now we open Microsoft Teams. When the sign-in screen appears, you may see a saved account. If you do, you can click that account to continue faster. If not, choose Create or Sign in with another account. In the email field, enter your email address carefully, then click Next. On the password screen, type your password and continue signing in. Let the app finish loading completely. Once you're back inside Teams, try joining the meeting again and see if the issue is fixed. If Teams still says you're unable to join, try joining the same meeting through your web browser instead. Open your browser and go to the Teams website. Use the URL shown on screen for that page. If you're asked to sign in, enter your account details and let the site load. On the left side, click Calendar. This opens your scheduled meetings. Find the meeting you need, click on it, then click Join. If a prompt appears asking whether you want to open the desktop app or stay on the web, choose Continue on this browser. This is a very useful workaround because it bypasses app-specific problems while still letting you get into the meeting. If the browser method works, that's a good sign the problem was likely with the installed Teams app. So next, update Teams. Open Microsoft Teams again. In the top right corner, next to your profile picture, click the three dots. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. In the Settings window, look to the left sidebar and scroll all the way down, then click About Teams. This page shows your current version. If an update is available, Teams usually starts downloading it automatically in the background. Give it a moment to finish. After the update completes, don't just close the Teams window normally. You need to fully exit the app. Go down to the system tray near the clock on your taskbar, find the Teams icon, right-click it, and choose Quit. This makes sure the old version is no longer running in the background. Now reopen Teams, sign in if needed, and try joining the meeting again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you're still getting the same error, reset the Teams app from Windows Settings. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Apps. Then click Installed Apps. At the top of the Installed Apps page, click the search bar and type Microsoft Teams slowly so it can appear in the list. Once you see Microsoft Teams, click the three dots next to it. Then choose Advanced Options. On the next page, scroll down until you reach the Reset section. Click Reset. Windows will ask you to confirm, so click Reset again. This process clears the app's local data and settings, which can fix damaged cache files or broken sign-in information. When the reset is done, open Microsoft Teams again from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. You'll need to sign in one more time, so enter your email address, click Next, then type your password and complete the sign-in. After Teams finishes loading, go back and try joining the meeting again. If resetting doesn't work, the last step is to completely uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. Press Windows plus I again to open Settings. Click Apps in the left sidebar, then click Installed Apps, which should be the first option in the list. Use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. When Teams appears, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. A confirmation will pop up, so click Uninstall again and let Windows remove the app completely. Once that's finished, open your web browser and go to the Teams download website. Use the download page URL shown on screen. On that page, find the button that says Download MS Teams for Windows and click it. Wait for the installer to download, then open the installer file and let it run. Give it a minute to complete. When the installation finishes, open Teams. You'll now need to sign back in from scratch. Enter your email address, click Next, type your password, and finish the login process. Let Teams fully sync and load your account. After that, go back to your meeting invitation and try joining again. In most cases, one of these fixes solves the issue, especially signing out and back in, using the browser version, updating the app, resetting it, or doing a clean reinstall. If you're following along in order, you've covered both account issues and app problems, which are the most common reasons Microsoft Teams refuses to join a meeting.